Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to have a look at using a for loop to iterate through the keys in a dictionary. So first of all, we're going to start off with my dictionary. My dictionary, make it equal to, and I'm going to put some keys and some values in here, and we shall iterate through them using a for loop. So the first one is mark, okay, and say 78, okay. The next one is Dave, okay. Dave 22, and the last one is Paul. So Paul 67. Okay. So now we're going to use a loop, for loop, to print out the keys and the values in this dictionary. So the key and the value in my dictionary, my dictionary dot items. Okay, and now we're going to print, use the format there, the key. The key in the dictionary that we're going to print out there, and the value. There we go, for the value. Okay, just close those off, and what we're going to do now, we're just going to save it, and now we're just going to run the program. There you go. So key is marked, the value is 78 here. Key is Dave, the value is 22. Key is Paul, value is 67. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. And if this has been useful to you, please consider subscribing to this channel and give me a like for it as well. And I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.